Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Raghat Krishna and I'm your Krishna. So guys, congratulations, today is our last day and today we are learning heads and pose again. And we already we finished our this yoga class, so I'm really happy that you like this video, you're watching this one and you're following me till here. And someone might be watching this video first time and they might be thinking, okay, oh no, we already missed 29 days. So what's the benefit if you do watch this video? So don't worry about that, just watch this video and then go and start from day one, and after 30 days you are here. The people are already doing the this 30th day, so you also be there in next 1 month and you feel more blissful or happy that finally you made some decision that you are never going to regret. So just keep doing that. And new here, then please request you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video. Second, watch any of videos. If you're new only, day 1 to day 5 there is stretching and Surya Namaskar part, so you just finish that and then come to this point. And if you already follow me, then you know what to do. Now you already finish your stretching or Surya Namaskar part. Now we do this yoga asana, then finish with this one pranayama. So let's do some yoga asanas. Not some, it's actually we are doing only one, that's a headstand pose or Shirshasana. Let's do that. Today we are doing some very advanced yoga. Actually we are doing only one yoga pose today, but that's a very advanced, and if you do that, then it's a kind of successful of this yoga series. And this one of the toughest yoga pose you will call, and that's called Shirshasana or headstand pose. So in this one, don't worry, don't skip any part. In this one I start with some stretching part and then we go with the small then upgrading it, and the end of this video you will learn how to do exactly the headstand pose. So if you follow this one, if you practice this one, you are able to do headstand pose in next 7 days. If you are absolutely new, then I'm talking about. If you're already doing yoga or you are doing some of this kind of you have some good amount of strength in your shoulder and your neck, then you maybe can do like in 2-3 days, or some of you guys may can do like today only. So just don't skip any part, follow me. So first in this one, because this one is kind of just a reverse, okay. Normally we stand like this one, so or the blood flow will be like this one, but in this one we just reversing our body, so blood flow also will be reversed. So more blood on your face, on your head, on your neck, on your chest, lungs part. So this will give you the completely different dimension of the blood flow. So first like we don't like most of the people don't do any yoga or anything that their blood comes to their face. So first let's get used to our body for this kind of yoga pose. So first let's stretch a good warm up to our neck, our head and our face. So in that way you are more comfortable about how to exactly you're gonna feel when you're doing the headstand pose. So first let's stretch some of your neck and your head. So first sit here like this one and just go front like this one. Be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. In this way you are giving your face more blood. Okay, we are doing slowly, okay, and then we increase slowly the difficulty levels. First, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Up. Good. Now use your hands. First make this one and do like this one, more of like this one. Here we are doing like this one. This one is like more of like this one. Okay, so more pressure on your neck or more pressure on your hand. Okay, one. And if you feel more this is you can't handle, then use divert that body weight to your arms. Okay, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again, let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. Now don't use your hands. Okay. Gives good strength to your neck. So in this one, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 9, 10. Yeah. Okay. Now we done some this kind. Now let's get a little bit more intense. So in this one, use the hands here and straight your legs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. Come this position. So now we are stretching. We are getting ready our body to do the handstand. Okay. So don't skip this part. This is very important. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. Good. Now let's get good strength to your neck. So now we don't use our hand. It's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. And be comfortable. Whenever you feel awkward or uncomfort, just stop there. Okay. If you're doing this the first day of yours, then just skip there or just stop there, because we don't want to hurt your neck, especially your neck. Okay. Now our body kind of just ready for this one. So now let's go for the handstand pose. So first let's do more of the accurate position. So first this one, hands here and this one here, and then just a little bit walk and go like this one and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Back and relax. You have to come to this position, okay, after every time. Don't stop there, don't stay there. Okay, get relax of some of your body, give some relaxation. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, now are already ready for this one. I did everything like 2 times, or if you feel that your body needs more of stretching, more of the strength, then you can go for the another one more round. Okay, like except for 2 you can do like 3 times everything. Okay, now our body is ready for the handstand pose. First, let's do the half one for the little one leg, only with use one leg. Okay, so in this one, use like this one. Good. And lift one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Come down. Use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. Done. Today, if you follow me till here and you are able to do all this stuff, that's very great. If you can do this one, then you are not more than away 2-3 days more, and then you will be able to do the handstand pose. So for that calculation, because this is kind of the half handstand pose, and then relax here. Now the next one we're gonna do exactly the handstand pose. Okay, I'm gonna teach you today 2 variations. The first one is easy one, because that's give you good strength to lift your body. Okay, and be sure that someone have to be there. Otherwise, when you're going to do that time, you might fail, and when you fall, then you hurt your back or any of your body parts. So someone have to be there to hold you, to give you some body balance. If you lose your balance, they can give you hand, so you will be more of doing it. Okay, and try to do with the on wall the first time. If your this back or your shoulder, the muscle is not that strong, then go with the wall. And if you think that your hands, your wrist and your neck especially is very strong, or you can go for that, then do here without any support. So first, let's do it. So first we are doing this one kind of we call tripod handstand pose. So in this one is like that. Here is our head, here is my hand, here is my hand. So it's make a triangle. Okay. So keep in mind, make a triangle and then go for it, and hold your balance. Keep in mind the first key to do this one, the balance. Okay, and give you good support of your neck and your hands, so your neck don't have to bear all the body weight. Okay. First, here is my hand, my hand here and hands here, and then lift, and then slightly here. Keep your legs bent, and then you can straight like this. Okay, hold this position for a while, then again bend, first bend, and then slowly, while using your core muscles, come to the floor. Don't lift, okay? Don't just sit there. Just be in this position and get used to your body for this position. Okay, this is the first variation we're gonna do here. Now the second variation, that's a little bit harder than this one, because this one don't use your palm support. Here you have to use your this one. So in the first step, make this position, lock your hands like this with fingers, and put on your hands like this one. Okay, and then use your elbow or the full, actually the forearms, and then make this balance. Okay, so it's like that. Hands, hands, and now lift. Keep the balance, okay? And then slowly bend and relax. Don't lift, just be there in this position, Shashkasana or child pose here for some time. And then slowly lift. Okay. Now sit and relax, because now after doing this one, your this blood circulation or your breath must be high. So give it some time to relax and calm down. For that, do some deep breathing like this one. Okay, I'm done. If you haven't, is your breath still high, this high blood circulation, then just do a little bit more time, calm down and settle your breath, and then we do some pranayams and end with the Om chanting or Shavasana. So let's do some pranayams. We do the this Anulom Vilom, and then we do some other maybe Om or Brahmri or something. So now let's do the Anulom Vilom first. So you know how to do Anulom Vilom actually already, okay? And if you don't know, then please, I've made so many videos. Or if you're doing watch some other videos like first to 7 days. There is in this you will find this every pranayams in maybe single. So you'll learn from there, okay? So let's start with the Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing pose. Still, I'll tell you what I'm doing here, so you'll understand if you are new here then. So first, close your left nostril and breathe in from the right nostril. And hold for 3-4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out from the left nostril. Close your right and breathe out from the left. Again, breathe in from the left. You just breathe out from left. Now again, breathe in from the left only, okay? And then close your left and breathe out from the right side.
Again, breathe from the right only, and breathe out from left. Keep doing it. Okay, now don't open your eyes. Now we do the Brahmari. So in Brahmari, you know how to do it. If you don't know, then you can see this one and then start doing it. So first you put your these middle fingers on your eyes. One, the index finger is upper side of your eyelashes, and then one, the small finger, the little finger is just around your nose, and with thumbs you close your ear and make a sound while breathe in, and then while breathe out make a sound, humming sound. Okay, let's do it 3-4 times. Okay, and keep your hands just like this one. Okay, don't be like this one, otherwise it will change your position from your eyes and your nose and your ear. So keep your hands like this one only. Okay, now the Anulom Vilom. Okay, for in this one, put your hands on your knees and just with right hand, actually we'll take Anulom Vilom. Okay, now we're gonna do Om, the last one, and then after the Shavasana, and then we finish. So you know how to do the Om, okay? But still I'll tell you, your breathe 65% is your O, and last 35% of your breathe is may sound. Okay, let's do it at least 7 to 10 times, but I'm going to do 4 to 5 times only. Okay, let's breathe in. Do it according to your breathe capacity. Okay, if you have 10 seconds breathe capacity, then do it at least 6 minutes O and last 4 minutes So I'm doing according to my breathing capacity, so you do according to yours. Okay, Okay, don't open your eyes and go to the Shavasana, the corpse pose. Okay. Just relax, just lay down on yoga mat freely, no tension, any body part, just relax, relax on every body part, okay? Just drop your shoulder, loose your back muscles, thighs, stomach, hands, fingers, knees, elbows, everything just relax. No tension, any body parts. Okay, now join your hands, rub them, make them warm. Gently on eyes, forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. And let's do one more time. Don't open your eyes, stay here. Okay, now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up straight away, okay? Just turn around this side. Sleep here or maybe stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax your body. And then while taking support from your right hand, there. And the last stretching part. So first, breathing. Go to your right knee side. Breathing. And left knee side. Breathing. And the front side. So guys, that's all about this yoga series. Today I'm not going to say those are today's class. No, this is all about this yoga series. Now finish, and congratulations. I'm really happy guys that you watching me, following me, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, you also go for the I mentioned comment section to just follow me on Instagram, and you can connect with me more. And don't forget to share this video, comment your opinion after how you're feeling after this finishing this yoga series. I really appreciate if you comment here and like this video. So that's all about this yoga series, and from tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, we're going to learn some new other yoga series, some other new yoga poses. So till then, bye bye, thank you so much. In the next class, namaste.